In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roku not detecting HDMI. At the end of this video, I will also show a picture of my dog, which you don't want to miss. Step 1. Restart and power cycle. Unplug Roku and TV from the power outlet. Wait 1 to 2 minutes. Reconnect both to power and turn them on. This clears software miscommunication. Step 2. Inspect and reseat HDMI cables. Remove the HDMI cable from both Roku and TV. Check for damage, debris, or bent pins. Reconnect firmly, ensuring both ends are fully inserted. Step 3. Change HDMI port or cable. Connect Roku to a different HDMI port on the TV. Try another high-speed HDMI cable, especially for 4K HDR models. Ultra HD, I think that means. I know that means. I'm sorry. Avoid using pass-through devices first. Connect Roku directly to your TV. Step 4. Select correct input and video settings. Use the TV remote's input or source button to select the correct HDMI port for Roku. If there's a picture flicker or resolution notice, use the Roku remote by going to Settings, then Display Type, and select an appropriate video mode. Try lowering your resolution. Step 5. Fix HDCP or handshake. Unplug all HDMI ends and power connectors. Wait 60 seconds, then reconnect HDMI and power. For HDCP errors, ensure all devices, your TV, receiver or soundbar, support correct HDCP version. This is 2.2 for 4K HDR. If using a receiver or soundbar, try bypassing it and connect Roku to TV directly. Step 6. Update your software. If the Roku boots up, go to Settings, then System and System Update, and then check Now. Also update your TV firmware for better HDMI compatibility. Step 7. Factory set or as a last resort. On Roku, go to Settings, System, then Advanced System Settings and Factory Reset. Or hold the Reset button on the device for 10 to 20 seconds. Confirm all changes and set up Roku again. Only do a factory reset if nothing else works, because when you do a factory reset, your entire device will be reset, so you will lose all your data. So you don't necessarily only do this as a last resort, yeah. Step 8, if it's still not working even after a factory reset, your HDMI port or hardware may need a repair. Contact Roku support or your TV manufacturer for advanced troubleshooting. Now I have some tips and prevention for you. Use certified high-speed HDMI cables for 4K HDR devices. Avoid frequent unplugging and forceful insertions of HDMI connectors, and label TV HDMI ports to avoid any possible confusion. Now you made it to the end. This is how you solve your HDMI issue. This is my dog because you made it. Do you think he's cute? I think he is. If I helped you, subscribe. Bye.